Hello, Minister Jaishankar. Thank you for your time here with me. I'm Akshaya Kumar with Human Rights Watch, and I had a question about Manipur in particular. We want to know what your government is doing to address the divisive politics that's leading to attacks on minorities there. You have said that the comments from 18 independent UN experts who expressed concerns about Manipur were presumptive and misleading. However, it took 3 months before Prime Minister Modi spoke out on the issue. So instead of acknowledging that entire communities have been devastated, isn't it wrong that local officials, including the Home Minister and the Chief Minister of Manipur, are blaming the violence on infiltrators? What is the way the center will take forward this issue at this time?
So you're giving me a question or an answer or both?
The question is, UN experts have been dismissed by you as being presumptive and not providing the correct information about Manipur. But isn't it the case that local officials have not responded adequately? And in fact, even the Prime Minister took 3 months before speaking out on the rape and parading of women in Manipur.
So let me, if you ask me, I think the comment, which wasn't made by me personally, but was I think made by a spokesperson, if I understand it right. Was that comment correct? My answer to you would be yes. If you ask me, what is happening today in Manipur, I think one part of the problem in Manipur has been the destabilizing impact of migrants who have come. That's one aspect of it. But there are also tensions which obviously have a long history which precede that. And today, I think the effort is on the part of the state government and the union government to find a way by which, a sense of normalcy returns, that arms which were seized during that period are recovered, that there is an adequate law and order enforcement out there so that incidents of violence don't happen.